Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the power button circuit board in a Dell Latitude 13 version 7350. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Use fingertips to pry apart and separate the LCD screen. Now you're going to unplug and loosen the battery cable. Then unscrew and remove the battery. Now unclip and disconnect the circuit board. Then unscrew and remove the circuit board. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For heatsinks, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.